Alright guys, so this is actually the ending of the video. I didn't really start making a video. I just started videoing what was going on past few days since last week, right? As you can see, pot is boiling, secret ingredients that I put in it. So this is like the introduction to the video, right? Some birthday shout outs in there already. Stuff that happened throughout the week, like I said, you know what I mean? Had a little leak, had to deal with that, so just check out the video. This is just the introduction, alright? Check it out, man. Good things happening. What did you do today?
I didn't do anything today.
You were home today, pal.
Well, I was sleeping.
Sleeping? So, this guy was home and called me and told me the ceiling is leaking water. Just got home, I had to rush home, I had to leave work. Come home and I gotta find where this water is coming from. We already shut off the main. I told him to shut off the main. And I gotta go see where the water is coming from, right? So we got a leak, man. We got a leak. See right here? All this gotta get smeared, come on. So I think we found where it's coming from. See this blue wire here, this blue hose? This goes up behind the fridge. So I gotta go check the fridge up upstairs and see. But I think that's where it's coming from. It's wet right up there. But there's lots of water up here still. Hold on. You got it?
Can't see ya.
Can you see me? So you're gonna zoom in. So the water hose on the fridge, this one here, this is the one that was leaking somewhere in the bottom here, and I can't extend it because the way they run it downstairs. So this was an existing blue line, so we connect it and we're gonna test it out, right? So this one here got a hole somewhere here, man. I'm gonna have to see if this one doesn't work. Maybe I go get a new one, or flare this one existing one and put it back, because I just need a piece about that long.
Cut and join.
Cut and join.
Good luck.
So yeah, that's what the problem was. This hose, direct water coming from the pipes downstairs, comes into the fridge, so it's kinked somewhere over here and water just spraying out. So that probably happened earlier and caused all that damage down there. Good thing Ryan was home, and he probably went for candy or pop or something in the basement, or ice cream. And
for ice cream.
Saved the day. So gotta give him on a little top up. Yeah, so this is the white one that was hooked on right now, that was leaking. And this is the blue existing one that we just hooked on. So let's try it out. Hopefully it doesn't leak. If not, we gotta go to Home Depot. Leaking.
Leaking?
Mm-hmm. The hose itself.
Mm-hmm. The connection?
Yeah.
Okay.
See right there? So, see dripping?
Yeah.
So this hose is no good.
The connection.
Yeah. Have too much play. So we're gonna go Home Depot and grab a hose. Gotta make a quick stop. Home Depot. I'm gonna change that water line. So I'm just passing by here to grab one. Already grabbed one of the fitting, one of the valve, because the valve started leaking soon as I took it off the other day, so it's dripping. So let me go Home Depot. I gotta get this hose. Change out the hose one time. Change the valve and the hose. All these summer boys are out. See the price for these things? These things used to be like $200. This one is $1,000 for this one. Maybe the food come with it too. I like this though. 7 bills. It's like flat grill, right? Wanna invest in one of these rotisserie machine right here. Well, yeah, man, they're bringing out all the summer products coming back out. You know what I mean? Got a nice smoker here. Oh, they have a cheaper one. Look at the size of it, though. 4 bills. Flat surface. Yeah, man. Father's Day. Maybe when the wife see this, she might get excited and buy me one. Look at this one. It's a double grill. I don't know what the heck this is. It's like a pizza oven or something. Yeah, bake stone. Put your pizza in there, your pizza pie, and you're good to go. It's like a whole goddamn table by itself. Anyways, yeah, man, they're bringing out all the summer stuff coming out. They got patio stuff set up already here in Home Depot. Leaf blower, lawnmower. Alright, let me go look for what I came for, man. Alright, so we in the aisle. See, they have all these hoses here. It's for your everything. Faucet, toilet, dishwasher. You know what I mean? Drain hose. See, they have the ones for ice maker here. 60-inch long, 120 feet, 20-inch long, 10 feet. But I don't think 10 feet's gonna work. This one actually come with a valve, shut on and off valve. This is just the hose. Heavy duty, but like, I mean, if it was closer, you can use something like this, right? Pretty durable. There's a price there for them. But we're gonna get the plastic one, the existing one that's there. So you just gotta find the size you need, 1/4 inch, and I don't need this much, probably a 15 footer. Right, this is the valve here. So I already got the valve, already have a new valve. The thing is with these things, this rubber here, see this little black rubber right here, once you tighten them and then you take them back, like you loosen them, this rubber here break, and the seal break. That's why they start dripping. They're never the same, and they don't sell the that little rubber, that little black seal. You gotta buy back the whole thing. You guys want some sponge to wash your car? 98 cents. So I had to settle for 25 feet, right? Because they don't have any 15 footer, and extra is better. They have a 10 footer, but I think that's too short, so I got the 25 feet. You can always cut it, and join it if you need to run something else. So I gotta get some screws, some drywall screws. Johnny, I need some screws, boy. Where you at? Been a while since I see you.
It's in the same size, even if it's some other color, then it's
So just get some drywall screws and get out of here, man. Go get some work done. Okay. That's not my pliers.
channel lock. He means channel locks.
So this, when it connects in here, it crimp itself, cause of steel. All right, so that's good. We gotta go upstairs and cut out the other side. All right, then we're gonna turn the water on and see who's leaking.
What?
So that's good. Okay guys, so we done run it, right? See, it's there. That's the line. Coil it up here. Just tape it on. Extra, right? Not leaking. Water is back on. Right? I didn't show you guys all of that, because just in case it starts spraying out. But everything is sealed, proper, done. I'm plugging back this hot water tank, right? Get my tools, we out. So next we're gonna go take down the wall, dry it out, cut out what I need to cut out in squares, right? And get that done. So that's the next piece. More work, yeah man. So stick around if you want to see more, right? CB work more. All right, let me get this done. All right, so next project, I'm gonna cut this into two cuts, two rectangle squares, one straight down here, and then this back piece going like that. All right, so that's what we're gonna do, and set it up and go get drywall and do that. Look who's coming. Alright, so we're just doing a little quick cleanup. So we done cut out our squares and rectangles. We gotta head to Home Depot and grab a sheet of plywood, right? So let me get some of this stuff cleaned up first. And we're almost there, man. We're about 80% done. What do you say?
75.
Alright, 75. 70% done. So this was the main thing, just getting squared up. And we'll get a drywall now and alright, put it up. So you don't get me measurement and thing. Don't measure out everything there. So let me go do that, man. Let's go. Almost there, almost there. And we watching baseball. Look, we got again. Blue Jays start the first game. Somebody have to clean up this mess, eh? Not me. Alright, see you guys. Shit, by a fit right in Brampton with this look right here. Yeah, man, so. You know, see a little small leak, pinhole from the hose. This is all the work and spending and time, you know what I mean? Repairing, you know what I mean? So, it's not easy, but it has to get done. Never know when those things happen, so you gotta deal with it, right? So, we here, we'll come through a Rona right quick, grab a sheetrock and take it home and put it on. Maybe I might putty a little bit too since I'm at it, right? Since I'm at it, I might as well putty it and leave it to dry and then sand it down and get it all ready. But it's mine, everybody. Come to the wrong side. Anyways, good help is hard to get, alright? I gotta wait. Actually, I go in the store. It's cold out here. It's getting cold. Anyways, man, this is how I'm spending my Saturday. Hope you guys are doing better things than fixing roof and water leak and all them things. Alright, so let me go inside. Back from Rona. It's not pretty, but it's coming along, right? So we just gotta run some mud on it now and tape up the edge and then seal it up. So I'm just gonna do that because you have to do it twice, right? Seal it off and then add more if you have to. So I'll try and get that done today since all this here is done, right? So yeah, man, this is what's going on. All right, almost done, soon done. All right, so time to hang up these tools. This is what's going on. So everything is mud. Leave it to dry. It's not professionally done, but it had to get done, right? So yeah, man, that was my job for the day. Somewhat got it done. It's a good thing the vent is here, so it's gonna dry pretty fast. Overnight it'll be dry. And then paint, but not this weekend. Not a weekend for paint, so you might paint the whole basement and done. But yeah, that's the job for the day. Yay to me. I'm hungry. I hurt my back. Trying to hide this big lad over study. I gotta go relax. But job done, man. That's it. Water not leaking. Sealing back up. Good to go. First one, eh? With the cover on. Too much dust. I think been a struggle for a long time. It's warm. Alright, so that's it, man. Let me go see what's upstairs. Or some pot was knocking. So hopefully there's some food, right? Gotta clean up here tomorrow. I'm done for the day. So this is my reward for hard day's work. Number 2 for the day. May bunjay, dry down chicken curry, dal and rice. Yeah, man, so that's my dinner, right? Another beautiful morning here. We got more snow. Yeah, man, we laugh America, they got a bunch of snow a few days ago. Now we got our share again. I'm tired of this snow, you know. Yeah, man. Hope you guys being safe. More snow. Take it easy on the road. Gotta go on the road myself. Gotta take Ryan to school. I gotta cool down my tea. I got a good 2 inches snow, man. 2.5 inches snow. So I gotta clean up this car and then head out on the road, man. Take this kid on the road. Take him to school. So the work continues, right? I'm gonna try sand out this spot here, leave it for paint. How am I looking? Safety. Always safety on the job, okay? Yeah, man, so. Still up on it here. Just gonna smooth it out and leave it ready for paint. Alright, so that's what the situation is. It's all dried. So I just gotta sand it and get it ready for paint. Already, see that? Quick. Never not working. Alright? So, that's the sanding. Another episode will be painting. Don't know when that is yet. So, yeah. Small piece, right? So, I'm done. So I was gonna do a little goat curry video, but I done downstairs sanding out all that stuff. So I am gonna do goat curry, but I'm not gonna do the full video. Reason being, I gotta go to a next job. My neighbor needs something done on her car. So this is just quick little you know, little update on what I'm doing for food. So we got goat. I'm gonna steam it out and leave it to boil while I go work on the car, right? So it's not much. I'm not gonna show you everything, you know what I mean, all the whole process. But let me put this to steam and then we're gonna get it ready. Alright? Put it to boil, set it up, leave it, and go to the next job, man. Never not working, right? Alright, man, I'm back. See? All decked out. I had to take that shower. Feel all my skin and stiffen up with that dust. Anytime you sand drywall and stuff like that, just go clean up, man. No matter if you gotta go do a next job, just go get that mud out of your skin. For me, I have sensitive skin, man. It just irritates my skin. Right? So anyway, Ache. Steaming out there, right? So I'm gonna set up the other pot. Maybe I'll use that pot instead of switching over, you know what I mean? And get it ready. So let me get all the other stuff prepared, get this going, put it on slow, and go get the other job, get that ready before I get late, right? So, because I gotta go on the road, I gotta go pick up Ryan, and it's already 12 o'clock, so 2 hours to do all of that. This, that, right? Alright, so bear with me here. Not a cooking video, just a little quick thing, right? The heck is this? Alright, so what do we got going here? We got some curry leaf, garlic, some fine thyme. We get a Scotch bonnet, frozen one, onion, green seasoning with the lady make, right? And some shallot or scallion. That's what I just made, cut up. On this side over here, we got curry powder, Caribbean spice, right? Actually, two of the same bottle, but this one have black pepper in. Hey, you real coolie, you know. You real coolie, real Guyanese. Yeah, man. Masala, right? And salt. Get the pot hot in. And you're gonna add some oil to that now. And start dashing in, man. Start dashing in. You know you're coolie when you start using different bowl for different things, right? With no label on it. Original label. I use butter dish for everything else, right? Especially for chow mein. Yo, that chow mein used to taste good. Especially when you go in Georgetown when you're small. Butter dish with chow mein inside. If you know, you know, alright? Mommy probably a laugh right now. Yeah, boy. It's a little bit of oil. That's it, man. Because this goat here, if you don't steam it out, cut out all the fat, you know what's up, right? So let that hot up there. We gotta fry up these bad boys. Hear that? So I don't like these color pots. Can't see the water in there, man. Yeah, so the butter dish thing is when my mother used to take me on a small as company, you know, they're like this big, taking you to Georgetown, get paperwork done or gotta go get some business done or whatever. Gotta carry food. Sometimes two butter dish, right? Yeah. Always hungry. And eat before we leave, you know, because you know once we get in that bus or the boat, hungry kick in there. Poor lady. Poor lady. She probably die laughing right now. Yeah, man, so let me get my stuff. And you see, I don't use a lot of oil, right? Just to simmer my onions. And then we gonna start doing some dashi, right? All these guys over here. See it there? Then I have my water. You thought me put too much water, didn't you? You thought so, eh? Oh man, let this fry up. Fry this up on low. Everything mixed up with love right there. You know what I mean? Just gonna use this scooper here and throw it in here, man. See that? It's not burning, man. You just need to let this mix up here. And then we're gonna come in with this now. Let it go down a little bit. God damn it. You gotta throw some stretch in here, you know. Definitely gotta throw some stretch in here. See you there? Here we go. Should have done that up a whole hour ago. Yeah, man, we got some stretch in there. Some potato. Some potato. You know? Shit, I forgot what I was gonna say. I'm mad. When I say add stretch in there, I remember Dave from Dave and Trish, their YouTube channel. Check them out, guys, from Florida. He always, add stretcher to the thing, you know what I mean? Already roasting somebody about the curry and adding stretcher. Yo, big up you guys, man. Big up you guys. Anyways, Trish, happy birthday to you, girl. Happy birthday. I know your birthday was earlier this month or last week, right? Big up to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday going out to Uncle Roy from New York. That's Pops down the road. That's his brother that came down the other day for his birthday, 65th birthday. But it's Uncle Roy's birthday, man. Yo, big up, big up. Ethan. Little Ethan down the road there too. His birthday, 13. The man turned 13. Dave, you got teenager now. Bear licks. The man grow past you. Yo, happy birthday, Ethan. Yeah, man, welcome to the teenage world. Dave, you got turn bald like me, but you gotta start shave your head if you don't want. If you're not gonna go bald yet, you gotta start shave your head. Teenage worries on the way. Yeah, man. So, anybody else? Who am I forgetting? Oh, Christian. Lily's son, he's 11 this week as well. Happy birthday to you, little man. Whose birthday, man? Somebody else's birthday. If you're celebrating birthday, right? Happy birthday to you guys. Celebrating anniversary. Happy anniversary to you. Whatever you're celebrating, man. Right? Big up yourself. Yeah. Too much to remember. Getting old. Somebody asked me how old I was the other day. Old. Don't let this white skin fool you. I'm all ass. Alright, so added a little bit more water. Salt, still pending, right? But it tastes good. It don't taste like you need too much more salt. So, but I'm just gonna leave it, let it burn down by itself. You know what I mean? Not the house, the pot. And before I go outside, I gotta throw in my secret ingredient. You know what that is, right? Let me get this camera, get a better view, man. Secret ingredient going in right now. Watch it. Anybody interested or? Yeah, man. Little generous, you know what I mean? This bottle suffering. Hey, who come here to help me drink this bottle? Me can't drink this. Let me drink this, me to see goat. Goat does chase me. Like back home, you see a goat, he try knock you down. Now me to see, me start run like my head not good. Anyways, throw a little bit of alcohol of any kind in your meat, especially goat or lamb or, you know what I mean, some hard chicken or something. Dash some in there, watch. Right away, little bubbles. Right? It works as a tenderizer. So I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna cover it, turn it down, and go do the other stuff, man. You bear with me, you bear with me. Me there alone. Today is my relaxed day, Ross. Alright, that's it.
I thought you went to work today. That's why
I am working. I'm videoing you work. See? She's shoveling. She don't want me to help her shovel snow. Exercise for the day. I already did mine this morning. Caribbean people. So Miss Cindy is from Suriname. Yeah. Yeah. And she's a nurse. Yeah, man, so.
See how easy it is?
It's not that much snow. It's already melted anyway. Yeah. We out here working. That's all we doing. How's everything? How was the winter? I didn't see you all winter.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Well, I'm doing fine.
Yeah.
Shoveling the snow the whole winter.
I know, man. And cold. There's more snow falling too.
I myself when it's gonna stop. Because this is too much.
It's been too much. See, hard-working neighbor, man.
The sun is shining.
I know, about time. Hopefully another 2 weeks.
That's what the groundhog said.
Yeah, he lied to us. What's his name? Willie?
Really?
Willie. Oh, Willie the groundhog. He lied to everybody. Alright, guys. So let me grab the car and head over there. Yes, guys. So just a quick update, you know. Anytime you're gonna change oil on a car and the car is sitting, just run it for a little bit. Just run it for like, 5-10 minutes so the oil can circulate. Because what happened, like all the grind and stuff just be left places, inside the engine. So we just run it and then it all will drain out instead of sitting on parts of the engine, right? So I was told that when you're doing oil change, so just run it a little bit, let everything warm up, and it's better. So now the oil is a little bit thinner and it'll drain out properly, right? Instead of sitting in the pan, and then all the particles are sitting everywhere, they'll circulate and drain out. So I already see how many oil change video me do. I'm not gonna bore you, but this is what I'm doing. We gotta go back check the pot, right? Let me get it going, man. And my compressor broke. See my compressor over there, it broke. I gotta get another one. I have no air. I can't use no power tools to do any other job right now. I gotta get another compressor. Hopefully I can return that one and maybe get a exchange or something. So, yeah, let me just do this out quick and done, right? She already bought oil and filter and everything. Quick rundown. Snow coming down real good, you know. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, see it there? Coming down real good now. And this oil taking his good old time to drain. Or whatever. I remember the Indian, South Indian guy, I don't know if he's Sri Lankan, that made the Indian movies where he flicked the cigarette. He ain't got nothing on me. Today, that is. He have nothing on me today, so. You saw that move just now, right? Yeah, man. Got kill time, right? Thirsty, man, I'm thirsty. So, if you're not sure, just put 4 liter and keep adding a little bit. Remember, you can always add. Easier to add it than to go in the bottom and take out. Right? So, let me take it down. I'll put on a level ground and check it. And if I need to add any more, then I'll add it. Because it's better to do it. Check it when it's flat, right? When it's level. So that's it, man. Oil change done, right? So let me do it and get out this snow. The snow coming down pretty heavy again. See? So we gotta go check on we curry still. Curry soon done. Them 2-star gal that work, please. I tell them bring roti. There's a roti there in the freezer. So roti is in the freezer. When they come, they get food. Alright, so I'm done here. I'm done. Start it up, get rid of all this stuff, and I is done. Back in the kitchen. Take off this thing from my head. Yeah, man. Check out the pot. Let me check out the pot. See, cook it on low. Let it simmer up there. Alright, so I got some potatoes I gotta throw in there. Stretch that curry a little bit. Still working on this beer here. Alright, and this soon done. So it's soon done. Now the bone, meat falling off the bone. Having water, eh? How's the goat, man? Is it tender or is it done?
Yep.
Soft? Soft. See how easy you break up, look. Now you try my secret ingredient. One of a kind. By the way, somebody had Dhal puri stashed in the freezer downstairs. That's what we having right now. That's what I'm having. She having rice.
You never know when somebody just open them eyes and say, I want all puri.
Dhal puri or goat curry? Yeah, man. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Lots of work. That's little disaster, but a lot of work to get it done and back the way everything was, right? So thank you for watching, liking, You know what I mean? Tell a friend, like and subscribe, alright? So, it's fun for y'all.
Cheers.